welcome to my channel, and today I would like to speak about a beautiful holiday celebrating femininity, females and mothers, 8th of March. Every country calls it different, but I will tell you how it's going in Russia. And if you are dating a Russian speaking woman, you better watch this video until the end. Press subscription button, notification button, and don't miss any tips and stories from me in the future. Or maybe you are just interested in Russian culture. Also, welcome to my channel. I'm not talking about Russia, by the way. I'm talking generally about my life. I'm living now in Europe and married not to Russian men, so I also make this video for him. I hope he will watch it. Okay, let's start. First of all, I would like to say that 8th of March in Russia, it's a huge holiday. Everybody is off except entertainment businesses like restaurants, cinemas, flower shops. Oh my god, for flower shops, that day it's when they make the most money. You can't imagine. I know one guy who has a flower store, and he told me, you know what, I can only work on 8th of March and be off the rest of the year. Really. And generally, flower shops are very popular in Russia because women in general getting flowers all the time. Like for example, my mom gets flowers from my dad every week. She has fresh flowers on the table. So I will tell you about that maybe on my another video. Today is about 8th of March. So it's a holiday for everyone. Everyone is off and everyone is celebrating. And men are happy to spend money on the women who are next to him. It doesn't have to be only his girlfriend or wife. So every man makes presents for his woman, for his mother, for his colleagues, for his friends, even for his neighbors if he has a good relationship with his neighbors, for example. And women from young age until really old, they're also getting treated like queens these days. Why I'm talking about these days? Because 8th of March starting days before that is starting 5th, 6th of March, and it's starting at your work. As being a woman, you're getting surprises from your colleagues. How it's happening? Yeah, men, colleagues, men, they put money together and they buy gift certificates, they buy flowers, cakes, and they create a surprise for the woman in their companies. So I don't know, I have no words for that. It's just like, I remember how it was in Russia. It's just so great to feel appreciated. And generally women have a harder life. I think, I'm sorry, but we are having our days once a month. We are physically sometimes not as strong as men. We have children, it's extra work, etc., etc. So it's so great to feel appreciated at work from your colleagues, from your male colleagues, and at home from relatives and your husband. So I really think that Russian speaking women are really lucky about having this celebration really huge. And I wish everybody, all the women in the world, would have it Russian way, and that day, because it's nice. It's nice to have so many presents from everyone. Another thing is that women definitely need not just one present from their men, but several. So here, make sure you are preparing flowers, the ones she likes. So make sure you know what kind of flowers she likes, and make sure you buy it better in advance, like the night before. You buy it in the evening, you hide it, put it in the water, don't forget it, otherwise it's gonna die. And in the morning when she wakes up, you have flowers right away in front of her. If you guys have already relationship more than 1 year, so probably she would be surprised, because as being Russian and married to a foreigner man, I see that it's a bit different mentality. So it's different from Russian. So if you are a foreigner dating Russian speaking woman, do that. She will just really appreciate that more, knowing that you are not used to this kind of stuff and you really made one step ahead being prepared for this holiday. Another thing is that being Russian, she probably will expect you to buy something else on top of the flowers. And it's not about materiality and being material, it's about traditions, as I said. Um, we used to be treated like queens, especially that day. And if you are her boyfriend or husband and you're just gonna give her flowers, probably she's gonna be a little bit sad, because she will definitely remember anyway how it was in her country, right? Maybe she will not tell you that, but she will. So buy something on top of the flowers, whatever she likes, maybe perfume, maybe gift certificate for a makeup store. By the way, it's one of the most popular presents in Russia for 8th of March, and I was so happy to receive it because oh, 8th of March is coming, so I'm gonna renew my makeup bag and I will buy a new perfume and whatever I like, because you are collecting like 10 gift certificates and then you go and buy something. So this is a good idea. Or if you have a little bit more money, also what's happening in Russia, men who can afford, they also buy cars, phones for their wives for on that day, and it's also normal, not only for birthday but also on 8th of March, it's normal. So I hope my video will be useful for you, and now I would like to share how I spent my 8th of March this year. Right now I'm in Europe. Uh, we are living in Germany, but now we are in Romania, at my husband's native country, and I will show you how we celebrated it today in his country. In Romania, by the way, there is also 8th of March, but it's not as huge as in Russia, and it still takes some time for my husband to adapt, because I'm telling him, I'm like, okay, I'm expecting flowers and I'm expecting some present. And you know what? I'm not shy to say about that to him, because I think it's better to say what you like, how it was in your country, how is your traditions, because if you don't speak and you just keep it for yourself, you get upset, then relationship will not work. Open communication is very important. So my husband, for example, today he bought me flowers, and by the way, he was surprised that in Romania he asked to make a bouquet, because I like it a little bit creative style and I like small bouquets but different flowers. But they told him no, that they're busy, that he should choose what they have. But maybe he didn't know the stores so well, where to go, because he haven't been in Romania. He 12 years, and he's more American than Romanian, so he doesn't know places where to buy yet. Maybe next year will be better. And these flowers are from his uncle, which I love very much because he's really great man. His name is Mircea, and he bought me flowers too. And he's a really nice man, and I really appreciate that. Also, my husband told me to make an appointment for massage, for manicure, pedicure. I'm not sure I'm gonna make manicure, pedicure here in Romania right now, because in Germany everything closed. So who gonna take out the gel for me in 1 month? I don't know how it's gonna be in 1 month about pandemic in Germany, so I better to not risk it. But I will definitely go to massage, and maybe also thermal spa. We will see. So make sure you make something what your woman likes. Maybe she doesn't want a present. You can even ask her what you like, what you want, and she will tell you. If she will tell, don't worry, don't buy me anything, still buy. Some women, they just expect you to think by yourself and make decisions by yourself. But I already know that for men it's better to tell than to feel sorry and to feel upset. This is my way, at least. So for the women who are watching this video, I would like to wish happiness, strong health, romance in your life, traveling, and all the best. And make sure you have this kind of 8th of March, not once a year, but 365 days per year. You are treated like a queen. You love yourself, you spoil yourself, and you are being spoiled by the men and people around you because you deserve that. Thanks a lot for watching. If you didn't subscribe yet, be my guest and do that. Thank you so much for being with me. Bye bye.